Hello everyone, this is the video of how I have created my instance in AWS. For this I have opened the aws.amazon.com website, and in this I have find the EC2 where I can create my instance. If I don't find it here, then I can search also it, and now I am clicking on it. Now here we can see there is an option of launch instance, and for creating a new instance we have to click on it. So here we can see that there are many instances in front of us, but as I am working on Windows, so I am opening the Windows 64-bit. Now here I am clicking on the review and launch, and now on launch. Here we have to create a key pair, because in Windows we have to it is very important to create a key pair to retrieve the password. So I am clicking on the create a new key pair, and here I am writing a name of the key pair. So I am writing it name as key, and I have to download it. Now as our key pair has been downloaded, therefore now we are clicking on the launch instance. It will take few time, not much more time. Now you can see that our instance has been created. Now for this we have to, for connecting with the RDP, we have to go to the view instance option. Now as you can see that there are many instances that has been opened. Now how can we remember that which was the hour which we are creating now? So I am giving it a name, and I am giving it a name of key pair or key name. I am giving it as I have given the name of the key pair also the key, so I am giving it also the key name. Now as our instance has been created and RDP is to be connected, now we have to get the password. So we are clicking on the actions, and now for the get password, now we have to give the path of the key pair. So I am selecting the path of my key pair and opening on it. Now by decrypt password we can get the password, and we have to store that password at some place that we can't lose it. And so I am decrypting the password and storing it to the notepad. Now as we have to connect it with the RDP, so I have to store its public address. So I am copying it, and now I am opening the remote desktop connection, and this is the remote desktop connection, and now I am pasting my IP address on it and clicking on the connect option. It will take few seconds only. Now here it required the name, and for it I am giving the name administrator, and password that I have stored the earlier. So by doing this we can see that this is connecting to our RDP. It takes some time. Now it is connected, so we are clicking on the yes to go to the desktop or to go to the another computer in the internet. So we are clicking on the yes. As you can see that this is different desktop. From our desktop you can minimize also it, and you can see it that this is a different desktop and different work. It will take few minutes to go to the all the details and all the bars in it. You can go to the Internet Explorer to see the internet speed of it. It is totally different from our computer. It is totally a new desktop. We are using some other computer in the internet, so it is totally different of it. We can see the speed of it by using the Internet Explorer, and here we go to see the Internet Explorer. Search for the speed test. Here we go to speed test, and it takes some time to get the speed testing. So now you can see that the speed is very high as compared to our network, so we can download anything easily, and we can access the net also very easily. And this is the advantage of using the AWS instance and creating and connecting it with the RDP. So you can easily connect with anything, and you can use the advantages of the high speed internet. You can download anything very easily, and this is most important thing about us, because nowadays we require the high speed of internet, and that's why we have to use it. Thank you.